everyone, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. I am so excited to share something really amazing with you today. As you know, Thailand is one of the biggest producers of rice. I also really miss traveling, and Thailand is one country that I used to go every single year. If you know me for years, you know I'm in Thailand every single year. So I really miss Thailand. In this mini series, so over the next couple of months, I will show you 3 easy, delicious recipes with Thai whole mali rice. It's very high quality, and you can see this little green logo like this. This represents the premium quality of Thai rice, which is soft. It's got nice light texture and so much flavor, and it's called whole mali rice. Thai whole mali rice actually won the best award for the rice in 2020. Anyone can make them at home. You don't have to be a professional chef to cook with rice. I know rice can seem complicated, but it's really good for you. It's healthy, it's gluten-free, and I'm gonna show you 3 amazing dishes. And today, the first one we're gonna start off with, which you have to make, is these beautiful, crispy rice and cheese balls. Oh my god. If you like cheese and rice and you wanna give this a try, this is the best dish to start off and to give it a go. Very easy, very cheap to make, feeds a whole family, and so delicious. Now let's get cooking. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add butter and oil into our pan. Then I'm adding chopped onion, and we're gonna place this onto the stove. We're going to fry our onion on a low to medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until it turns golden brown. You then want to take your rice and add it straight away. Don't rinse the rice. We want to keep all the starch in there, and just mix it together with your butter, oil and onion. Once everything is mixed through, you want to add your chicken stock into your pot, and then just mix everything together. Take your rice and put it on the stove, add a little bit of salt, and just mix it through one more time. You then want to cook your rice for about 15 to 20 minutes on a low to medium heat. As soon as it starts to boil, I usually lower my heat and place the lid on top and just leave it simmering for about 15 minutes. Then I check, move the rice around a little bit and leave it to cook 3 minutes or so. You can add your frozen peas right inside. If you don't want to add peas, just exclude this step and cook rice for further 5 minutes. After 20 minutes or so, you want to take off your rice, then transfer it onto a baking dish. Spread it out as much as you can. We want to cool down the rice to about room temperature. It cools down faster when it's spread out, just like so. After your rice has cooled down, add it into your bowl. This is where we're going to add all our delicious cheeses. So start with your Parmesan cheese, and then add your shredded mozzarella cheese as well. Mix everything together until it's nice and even. So I like a lot of cheese. Feel free to add more or less cheese depending on your taste. So take a big chunk of your rice, spread it around in your hand and press down. Then add a little cube of your mozzarella cheese inside and just fold everything together. The rice should be very easy to form. A little tip I want to give you is make sure you have wet hands while rolling the balls. It will make it much easier to roll them out. Take each ball, place it into the flour, roll it around until the flour coats your rice bowl, and then you want to dip that into your egg, roll it around. It's best if you use a fork and just get rid of any excess egg, and then place that into your breadcrumbs. You then want to roll around in your breadcrumbs. I like to use the golden kind. It just gives it a really nice, beautiful color. I do recommend rolling out all the balls before you start frying, as they fry pretty quickly. Now place vegetable or sunflower oil into your pot. You will need a lot of oil depending on the pan that you use. Then feel free to add your rice balls inside. I like to cook about 3 to 4 balls at the same time. You're gonna cook these for about 3 to 5 minutes. We want to give them a really nice crispy golden color, and our delicious rice balls are done. If you want to support this awareness campaign with me, and I hope you do join me, all you have to do is make any rice dish, whatever you like, with Thai rice, post it on YouTube or Facebook, tagging Thai rice, my menu, and think rice, think Thailand, and also showing a sign or anything saying that this is product of Thailand. And also they're going to be picking a winner each month with the most views and like, and you can win up to $300. So I hope you join this campaign with me. I can't wait to see your rice dishes. You can also of course make this recipe. Why not? You don't have to think. Let's do it.